Who is that?
Gilbert.
Gilbert?
Yeah.
Let's see. Who is... What's this? What is it?
Hello?
Whose house is this? SpongeBob's house?
Yes.
Who is...
No.
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
That's right.
Who's this?
Stop.
Do you know who that is?
Stop.
Alicia, hold on. Who is this? Who is it?
Okay, go ahead.
Who's this? Tell me who it is. Who's this?
What?
Butterfly. Who's this? Stop it. Alicia. Who's this?
Gilbert.
Gilbert. Hold on. What's this? Stop.
Is that the girl or the boy?
Alicia, what's this?
So he'll be 12 in November?
Say hi. Alicia, say hi. Say hello.
Wait.
Coloring?
Yeah. What color is me?
Do I want to color with you?
Yeah.
Sure.
No better.
Make it better. Color.
What are you coloring?
Color.
Caillou?
Color. Yes.
Yeah, I'm here.
And
Mm,
what's that?
peanut butter.
Not peanut butter. What is that?
Knife.
A toothbrush.
That's right.
Who's that?
Okay.
Sarah.
Sarah. What
I
is...
had them mixed up. Okay.
Let's see, watch out.
Now.
Who's that?
Coco and Sunshine.
Caillou. Cabo.
I mean,
Are you playing ball?
Yeah.
Playing soccer? What's Grandpa doing?
okay.
Just
Fishing. Good job.
That's
And what's this?
one.
Soup.
Yes.
Who's this?
Winter time.
I don't know his name.
Winter time.
Who is...
Ducky.
And Ducky. Who is this? Hold on, watch out. Who's this?
And Missy.
Rosie.
Lost in
And the Rock and the Horse? Who's this? Who's this?
Bubba
Alicia.
Sue and Jonah is
Hello? Who's this?
1 year.
Who's that? You don't know. Yes, you do.
Yeah.
Is it Clementine?
Sometime. No, what? Where is the boogie?